Damn, look at those skies. So what's up, guys? I haven't filmed in like practically a year. It's been a while. Nothing much has changed other than like that white tarp that the 240 used to sit under is different now. It's some wooden thing. Other than that, the 240 stayed the same. It's running now. It's on the road, and like I've driven it a couple times. It's not bad. There's a lot of things that need to be changed and shit, but overall it's the same. Not much for this video, I guess, but copped a dash cover or whatever. It took like a month to get here. I don't know, it came from America. Cost me about like 80 bucks, I think. Like 50 American, like 80 after shipping and tax. The dash. I've been lucky enough to get a dash that isn't cracked. Let me just... So yeah, I've been pretty lucky. Yeah, okay. But yeah, been pretty lucky, I guess. No cracks. So I'm just gonna probably give it a quick clean. Comes with these. Oh, that's how that works. So yeah, it's like Velcro on one end, and then like it's sticky on the other end. This goes on your dash, and then it'll just Velcro, so like it can come off if you want it to come off. I got like the regular, like whatever the cheapest option was, in black, and it looks like it should fit. Goes on top of there. Is for the vents. One vent. Oh, look at tag. Wow. It's not bad. Okay, so instructions, because I know I'm gonna mess this up. Blah blah blah. All right. So I'm gonna give. Okay, so I finished cleaning it. It's shinier, I guess, but now, yeah, clearly you can see there's no cracks, luckily, or not yet. Clean the windshield, the inside at least. The car overall is dirty, so you can see it's dirty. You see the hood, look, crusty it is. But yeah, dash hasn't been clean for like more than years, because I've been planning to do this. Just wanted to take care of the actual car first to get it all like road safe and all that. But now it's time to... And there, that's it. Okay. And it's falling. Okay. I'll get this settled in. So this is pretty much just test fitting it. I mean, it's alright. There's some places where it doesn't fit like precisely. Like for one thing, it's a bit short on this end, and then like that vent is slightly covered. If I touch it, it'll probably slide right off the dash, so I'm just gonna leave it. But this is pretty much what it should look like. I got the scissors, and I guess I'm gonna start cutting these. Hopefully it'll go well. Probably just gonna stick them in places where it's kind of like this. Probably should need it. Probably there and the edges. One weird thing is it covers my VIN number, which is over there, but it's cool. But yeah, I think that's it pretty much. So I pretty much got the Velcro down. I skipped the rule where it said something about like 1 inch, and well, I mean, some of them I guess are 1 inch, but there's some pieces that are like extremely small and all that. But it's not bad. On this side, I got it decently. Like, this part isn't covered, that's why it's a bit floppy, but like this part's proper. It's not bad, it's pretty good actually. The cut and all that. There's like this one piece here that's probably just gonna keep on flying out, but it's cool. It's pretty good. The advantage I see is like if you have to clean, you can just like rip it off. To clean your dash, you just rip it off, or you have to clean this, you can just completely take it off with no issues. And the other thing is, let's say you run out of these Velcro strips, which I pretty much did. I had a little bit laying around of like the sticky side, the less furry side, and I just put them like on other places. Like that's not these ones. But yeah, you could just go to the store, hardware store, whatever, and just cop more. Other than that, the cut's not bad. It's a bit short. I don't know, like maybe I didn't do it properly. Maybe I have to like shove it this way, but overall it's pretty good. I'm gonna just keep on playing with it, and yeah, hopefully it comes out better. But yeah, it's not bad. So pretty much have it on completely. I didn't have enough to put it there, so this is literally just gonna flop like that for now. If I had to put more, I'd probably put more here at the top, because I mainly focused on like this edge here because I didn't want it to like flail up. It's literally just a bunch of patting down and pulling and stretching out. I love that tag. Gives it a little extraness. But yeah, if I had to put more, I'd probably put more here on the edge or on the top vents for the window defrosters, and then maybe like up here because it's a bit loose. I can add that later, but for now, this is what it is. It's pretty nice, actually. The inside of the shit box just got a bit more comfier, I guess. So yeah, my next thing that I wanted to add was, because again, this is a 240, you don't really have much place to put your shit. Put it in there. You can put it in there, clearly. But like phone wise, so that's why I was waiting on the dash mat. I didn't want to leave this out in the sun, but I pretty much bought this. This is kind of old actually. It's one of those like magnetic ones where you just put it up, and then they just give you a bunch of these magnetic things. It just probably like, I don't know, here. And then you just, and it's pretty solid. Just tighten that up, and then once that's in your phone or stuck to your phone or in your case, it's a good test, especially for this car because the vibration is just ridiculous. Hopefully it does well, but I can only imagine while I'm like just like idling, the car's just gonna be like, my phone's just gonna be like this. Sounds. If anything, I'll probably just add a second magnet, but other than that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, it's just the dash mat and that thing. It's pretty nice. That's it for now. I really don't know what to do. Might cop new seats, but that's expensive. It's probably gonna be, I don't know, maybe new wheels. We'll see. But that's it for now. Peace.